Do you really need a logo? A logo is the face of your business. It's often the first thing your customers see and remember. Here's why a good logo is important. It builds trust. A professional logo shows customers that you are serious about your business. Second point, creates brand identity. Your logo appears on your products, packaging, and marketing materials, making your brand recognizable. Third point, it sets you apart. A unique logo helps you stand out from the competitors. For example, think of the iconic logo of brands like Tata or Airtel. They are simple, memorable, and unique. Let me give you a quick tip. Avoid using free logo makers as they often produce generic designs. Instead, work with the professional designer who understands your industry. So, what kind of logo do you envision for your business? Share your ideas in the comments, and I will provide you feedback in future videos. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, adios and see you in the next video.